Students, in this video, I'm just trying to concentrate on the board examination problem, ICC board examination problems. So please observe the problems, what type of questions they ask in the ICC board examinations for 3 marks. So this problem, I'm just trying to solve the first problem, 2010 it has come. Solve the following inequation and represent the solution set on the number line. So this is a way they ask in the board examination. So let us solve this problem and show you how to solve it for the board exams. Okay, let me take the first two inequations, children. You can see minus 3 less than minus half, minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 5 by 6. So we should take the first two inequation and then solve it. Minus 3 less than minus half minus 2x by 3. Let me take this variables positive. Let me bring to left side and minus 3 to the right side. So it becomes 2x by 3 less than minus half plus 3. So you can observe it is 2x by 3, 3 minus half. So you can take LCM and do the simplification also. So let me do this here. 2x by 3 less than, if you want to take, you can take LCM, 3 minus half. So what is the LCM here? So 2 is the LCM, minus 1 plus 6, because 2 3s are 6 it is. So after this 2x by 3 less than, it is 5 by 2, as you people are knowing it very well. What is the 5 by 2 is 2 and a half it is. So we can bring all the numbers one side, that's 2 2s are 4 and 3 5s are 15. Into the cross multiplication. 3 5s are 15, 2 2s are 4. So x is less than 15 by 4. So x is less than 15 by 4. 15 by 4. What is 15 by 4? It is 4. You can divide 15 by 4. 4 3s are 12. 5 minus 2 is 3, so you can write 3 3 by 4. X is less than 3 3 by 4. So this is actually the first part we have done for you people. That's the first inequation. We have taken the first two inequation and solved it. And next we have to take the second and third. It is minus half minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 5 by 6. Be very careful, children. I have seen the students will take only this part, that is minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 5 by 6. They leave off this minus half. So be very careful while taking the second and third and solve it. The same way, we can bring all the variables one side. Minus half minus 5 by 6. I brought the minus 5 by 6 to the left hand side and minus 2x by 3 to the right hand side. Less than or equal to 2x by 3. I just brought it the numbers one side and variables to one side to make it more easier for you. So next, after writing this much, as usual we should take LCM for the left side. So 2 and 6, as you know very well. So 6 is the LCM. So 6 is the LCM. 6 is the LCM because 2 is there, 6 is there, 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So 6 has to be the LCM. So 2 3s are. So it is minus 3. Minus 3 and here it is minus 5. Minus 5 less than or equal to, as usual, whatever number is there, 2x by 3. 2x by 3. Whatever number is there, we just write as it is. So it is a very important step is taking LCM. 6 is LCM. That's very important. Minus 3 minus 5. Minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 by 6 less than or equal to 2x by 3. Students, at this step, you can do directly 2 1s are, 2 4s are. You can do directly. And here also, 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So it's going to be quite easy for you to solve it. Minus 4 by 2, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So you can just get minus 2 less than or equal to x. You can observe all of you that these two inequations, minus 2 less than or equal to x and x is less than 3 3 by 4. So if you do these steps correctly without making a mistake, you get 1 mark for the board exams. That is how they give marks, 1 mark. Or sometimes you made one mistake, you have done one inequation correct, other inequation is wrong, you may get 1 mark. But other 2 marks will be 0 for you. So you have to do correctly the two inequations correctly, and then you have to combine them. That is called as a solution set. Solution set. The solution set, you have to be very careful, children. What you should write inside beta form? X such that. So what is that here? Minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 3 by 4, and x belongs to real numbers. So you have to be very clear while writing this, because if you make any mistake, if you don't write a flower bracket, x belongs to real numbers, any one mistake also, if you don't write, you will lose 1 mark. So you have to be very careful. So this is 1 mark. So first mark and second mark. And the third mark is for writing the number line. Number line. This is the third mark. So you have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. One extra number I written here also. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. I written one extra number. And you can observe, all of you, that minus 2 is less than or equal to x. That means minus 2 is included. So it is included means it has to be done the shading part. You have to be very careful. You have to do the shading part correctly. And here 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means between 3 and 4 we have to make a parts like 1, 2, 3 and 4th part. It is 3 by 4. So it is third part. So third part you have to put. So you have to be very clear with this number line while writing it. So it is 1, 2, 3. So it has to be written a hollow circle, because that is not included in this. So you have to be very clear between these two equations. That means minus 2, and this is actually hollow circle. Hollow circle is very important here because it is not included here. Okay, so this is a very important step. If you make any one mistake, either hollow circle or darkened circle, if you don't write, you directly lose 1 mark. And the next step, one more important thing is arrow marks. Arrow mark is compulsory. If you miss one arrow mark, either this or this, if you miss that also, you lose 1 mark. So this is how they give marks for the board exams. So you have to be extra careful while solving this type of problem. So the next problem is 4x minus 90 less than 3x by 5 minus 2 less than or equal to minus 2 by 5 plus x. The same way we have to take the first two inequations. That is 4x minus 90 less than 3x by 5 minus 2. So let me take all the variables one side. This 4x minus 3x by 5 less than 19 minus 2. I have brought minus 19 to the right hand side, becomes plus 19, and 3x by 5 to the left hand side, it becomes minus 3x by 5. As usual, we should take 5 as the LCM. So it is 20x minus 3x less than 19 minus 2. It is 17. So 20x minus 3x is 17x by 5 less than 17, which you know all of you, and 17 get cancelled, so it will be left with 1. Okay, so x is less than 5 because 5 will be cross multiplied. 5 into 1, 5. So you get x is less than 5 by solving the first two inequations. Okay, so after solving the first two inequations, let me solve the next two inequations. That is 3x by 5 minus 2 less than or equal to minus 2 by 5 plus x. The same way, we have to bring all the variables one side and all the numbers one side. That is plus x to the left side. So 3x by 5 minus x less than or equal to minus 2 by 5 plus 2. Minus 2 will become plus 2. So again 5 is the LCM. 5 is the LCM. So it's going to be 3x minus 5x. 5 into x is minus 5x less than or equal to, here also 5 is the LCM, minus 2 plus 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10 it is. So 3x minus 5x. So 3x minus 5x is minus 2x by 5. You know 3x minus 5 is minus 2x by 5 less than or equal to minus 2 plus 10 is 8. 8 by 5. So it's quite easy to solve because here 5 and 5 will get cancelled in denominator, and here also 2 1s are 2 4s are. So you're going to get minus x less than or equal to plus 4. Minus x less than or equal to plus 4. Or we can reverse it also. We can multiply both the sides by minus sign. Why we are multiplying both the sides by minus sign is because to make it a positive of this x. So it becomes like plus x less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to minus 4. Okay, so what is the reason of becoming minus 4 means because I have multiplied both the sides by minus signs. So this will become plus and 4 become minus, less than or equal to become greater than or equal to minus 4. Or you can also write this as minus 4 greater than or equal to become less than or equal to x. So we are trying to make minus 4 less than or equal to x. So just to have these two inequations to combine, for that reason I have written like this. So the last one is minus 4 less than or equal to x. And x is less than 5, combining these two inequations. So what you can write the solution set? Solution set is, we can write the solution set as, what is it here? Minus x such that, so solution set is minus x such that minus 4 less than or equal to x less than 5. Less than 5. And we should compulsory write x belongs to real numbers. X belongs to real numbers. I have written the solution set here. You have to be very clear. I am combining these two inequations. That is minus 4 less than or equal to x and x less than 5. I have combined and written it. And you can write the number line also. This is for 1 mark. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, an extra number. Minus 4 less than or equal to x. So minus 4 less than or equal to x means minus 4 has to be darken the circle, and less than 5 means hollow circle. So with these elements, these are the elements which is included for the solution sequence. So this is how you have to solve the problem, children. First you have to solve this problem correctly without making any mistakes. Then only you will get 1 mark. Otherwise you will not get any marks at all. Next is second mark is for solution set and third mark is for number line. As usual I said you, arrow mark has to be written compulsory. So the next problem is minus 3 into x minus 7 greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x greater than x plus 1 by 3, x belongs to real numbers. So again, we will take the first two inequations, minus 3, x minus 7, greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x. I have taken the first two inequations. So let me open the bracket, minus 3x plus minus into minus plus 3 7s are 21, greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x. So after this, bring all the variables one side. That is minus 3x plus 7x greater than or equal to 15 minus 21. Minus 7x I have brought to the left side, it becomes plus 7x. 21 I have brought to the right side, it becomes minus 21. So 7x minus 3x is 4x greater than or equal to 15 minus 21. 15 minus 21 is minus 6. So we have to be very careful, children, about this. It's minus 6. So it's going to be 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. We can cancel like this, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So it is going to be 2x greater than or equal to minus 3. Or x is greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Or you can also write x is greater than or equal to minus 1 and a half. Minus 1 and a half. Or you can also write this as minus 1 and a half greater than equal to, it becomes what? Less than or equal to x, because I brought to the left side minus 1 and a half and x to the right side, so greater than or equal to has become less than or equal to. So minus 1 and a half is less than or equal to x. This is how you have to solve the first part of the equation. So next is second part of the equation is 15 minus 7x is greater than x plus 1 by 3. Here also we should do the cross multiplication. So it has to be 3 15s are. 3 15s are is 45. 3 15s are is 45. 3 7s are 21x greater than x plus 1. So you should be very careful multiplication. 3 15s are is 45. 3 7s are 21. And bring all the variables one side. 45 minus 1 greater than x plus 21x. I have brought minus 21x to the right hand side and 1 to the left hand side. 1, sorry, it is 1, it is minus 1, it is not plus x, it is minus 1. 45 minus 1, 45 minus 1 is 44. 44 is greater than 21x plus 1x is 22x. So it is going to be 22 ones are, 22 twos are, and x is less than 2. Why? Means because x I have brought to the left side and 2 I have brought to the right side. So x is less than 2 it is. Now we have to combine these two inequations and write the solution set. So the solution set is x such that it is minus 1 and a half less than or equal to x less than 2, x belongs to real numbers. So you have to combine these two inequations properly. Minus 1 and a half less than or equal to x less than 2, x belongs to real numbers. So this has to be plotted in the number line. So it is minus 1 and a half. So minus 1 and a half means you should come to know this is actually, it comes here, it's 0.5, exactly in the middle. It is 0.5 minus 1 and a half. So minus 1 and a half, it has to be darkened. Minus 1 and a half, it has to be darkened. And 2 has to be just, you have to write as hollow circle because it's not included. So these numbers are there in the number line. So this is how you have to do this problem. So this also has come in 2016 in the board exam. So you have to do correctly the steps without making any mistakes, and I hope you are able to understand the problem clearly and perfectly so that you should be able to do well in board examination, and it's very easy to get 3 marks, students. So the next problem is minus 8 and a half less than minus 1 by 2 minus 4x less than or equal to 7 and a half. X belongs to I. I stands for integers, student. It has come in the board exam 2017. So this also carries 3 marks. So this is, we have solved 3 problems on real numbers. So this was a problem based on integers. So how to solve this problem, I will show you students now. So let us take the first 2 inequations. Minus 8 and a half less than minus 1 by 2 minus 4x. Let me take the first 2 inequations and then solve it. Bring the minus 4x to the left side, minus 8 and a half to the right side. So it becomes 4x less than minus half. I am converting this into improper fraction. 2x is 16, 16 plus 1, 17. So it's going to be plus 17 by 2. I have written directly because it is minus 8 and a half. 2 8 is 16 plus 1, 17. It is minus, has become plus here. So it is 4x is less than, so 2 is LCM, which you know all of you. 17 minus 1. 17 minus 1 is 16. 16 by 2. So it is going to be 4x less than 2 1s are, 2 8s are. So it will be 8. So 4 1s are, 4 2s are. X is less than 2. So this is how we have to solve this inequation. And after solving the first 2 inequations, we have to take the second and third inequation. That is minus half minus 4x less than or equal to 7 and a half. So here minus 4x will come to the right side and 7 and a half will come to the left side. So minus half, I'm directly converting this mixed fraction improper fraction. 2 sevens are 14, 14 plus 1, 15. So it is minus 15 by 2 less than or equal to plus 4x, because minus 4x will become plus 4x, children. So it is 2 is LCM. So you know all of it, 2 is LCM. Minus 1 minus 15 is minus 16. Less than or equal to 4x. The same way, 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. So it's going to be minus 2 less than or equal to x. So this simplification you have to be very careful, children. So it's very important to understand. And now you have to combine these two inequations. So what is the solution set? See, solution set is very important to write here, because every time we used to write in set builder form. Now we are not going to write in set builder form. We are going to write in roasted form. So you can see from these two equations it is minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 2. So here minus 2 is included, but 2 is not included. So which of the numbers means it is minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. 2 is not included. Please don't write 2. Okay. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. So this is called as a roaster form. So usually we should write a set builder form for real numbers, for integers, natural numbers, whole numbers. We should write the roaster form, children. So you should be very clear about it. So now we should draw the number line. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So now minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. These numbers you have to darken it. So that is minus 2, you have to darken it. Minus 1, you have to darken it. 0, you have to darken it. And 1, you have to darken it. Only these numbers. Not in between minus 2 and minus 1. Only minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. No darkening in the middle. Please don't darken in the middle, because only these numbers are there in the solution set. So that is how we have to show. Okay, so this is, we can call it as a bullets. Like minus 2 is one bullet, minus 1 is one bullet, 0 is one bullet, and 1 is one bullet. It is called as bullet, writing bullet form. So this is how you have to solve the problems when they give in the form of x belongs to integers. So I hope this is clear to all of you, children. I have solved 4 problems which has come in the board exams. Hope it is clear, the concept is clear to you, all of you. If you like this video, please subscribe to the video to your friends also, children.